All right, so I'm going to work through a few of your homework problems from tonight. If you start by looking at over here on problem number 1, following our order of operations, and remember that is parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, subtraction, and those are grouped according to whichever comes first from left to right. Okay, so like for problem number 1, the first thing you're going to do is your parentheses. We're going to add 5 plus 4, which gives us 9. And then you will multiply 9 times 7, which is going to give you 63. Moving on down to problem number 4. We'll start with parentheses again. 3 plus 1 is going to give me 4. Okay, even though we still have parentheses, we can't do anything inside of there. There's no exponents, so we're going to do multiplication or division. We have multiplication right here with 4 times 4. And then we're going to add 9 plus 16 for a final answer of 25. Problem number 6, I'm going to start no parentheses, so we're going to do exponents first. Okay, this is just a positive 3 squared. Because exponents come before multiplication, that would be -1 times 3, so it's going to be a positive 3 squared. So we're going to have 14 divided by 7 times 5 minus 9. Next thing I'm going to do is 14 divided by 7, which gives me 2. Then 2 times 5 gives me 10, and 10 minus 9 gives me a final answer of 1. All right, I'm going to skip over here to problem number 9. So I'm going to start with, inside the brackets, remember these super parentheses over here. Inside the brackets, I'm going to start with 2 times 3. So that's going to be 7 minus 6. 7 minus 6 is going to give me 1. Now, keeping with order of operations, I'm going to do -3 times 1. So that's -3, and 4 minus 3 is 1. All right, I did problem number 11 with you in class, so I'm going to move on down here and do problem number 14. Okay, so 5 times 6 minus -8 plus 2 times 3. All right, inside first. 2 times 3 is 6. Okay, and -8 plus 6 is going to give me -2. Okay, multiply. 5 times 6 gives me 30, and we're going to have a double negative right here, which is going to make your final answer 32. All right, number 2 and number 3 should be pretty simple, and number 5. All right, number 7, 8, and 10 are your more complex ones with order of operations. We did 11 in class, so that leaves you also 12, 13, and 15.